Namaste children, welcome to the YouTube channel of RSV Group of Schools, Class 4th, Maths, Chapter number 3, Addition, Part number 3. In this topic, we will discuss finding the missing digits. How to find the missing digits. Here is a formula. Sum minus one addend equals to other addend. 16 plus 12 equals to 28. Here 16 and 12 both are addends and 28 is the sum of these two numbers. In this example number A, one addend is missing, second addend is given and sum is also given. In B condition, first addend is given, second addend is missing and sum is given. So according to the formula, we have to do sum minus one addend. Then we subtract 19 from 46. We will get 27. It means we have to write 27 in the missing place. And in second situation, sum is 61 and first addend is 40. 61 minus 40, we will get 21. It means we have to write 21 in the missing place. Let's learn how to find missing digits in this question. In number 1, 1000 and tens place is missing, and in second number 10,000 and ones place is missing, and in the sum is 100 place digit is missing. When we add the numbers, we have to start with ones place. In the ones place, one addend is given, second addend is missing and sum is also given. 4, first addend, second addend is missing and sum is 1. 1 is smaller than 4, so subtraction is not possible. Then we have to find a number. When we add 4, then we get 1 in unit place. Then we get digit 1 in unit place. So we will add 7. Okay, we will add 7 in 4. Then we get 11. In 11, unit digit is 1. And 11 is 2-digit number. 11 is 2-digit number. So 1 we have to put in ones place and another one is we have to write in the tens place. So we have to carry over the 1 at the tens place and we have to write in the missing place is 7. Move to the tens place. Here tens place 1 is carried out, addend is missing, second addend is 5. 1 carried out plus first addend is missing and second addend is 5 and sum is 4. 1 plus 5, 6. Second addend is missing, sum is 4. 4 is smaller than 6. Subtraction is not possible. Then we have to find a number which add with 6, then we get 4 at the unit place. 8 is the number. When we add with 6, then we get 14. In 14, 4 is at the unit place. And 14 is 2-digit number. So we have to write 4 in the tens place. And 1 carry over. And we have to write 8 in the tens place. Then further we move to the 100 place. 1 carried out, first addend 3, second addend 2. 1 plus 3 plus 2. Answer is 6. Then we have to write 6 in the 100 place. Here no carry. First addend is missing. Second addend is 6. Sum is 8. 8 is more than 6. So subtraction is possible. 8 minus 6, answer will be 2. So we have to put in the blank. Let's move with the 10,000 place. In the 10,000 place, first addend is given, second addend is missing, and sum is also given. First addend is given, second is missing, and sum is 6, and here is no carry over. And 6 is more than 1. So we will do subtraction easily. 6 minus 1, answer will be 5. So we have to put 5 in the missing place. Okay? And we can check our answer also. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 is 2-digit number. So we have to put 1 in the ones place and 1 carry out. Then move to the tens place. 8, 5 and 1. Answer will be 14. 14 is 2-digit number. We have to write 4 in the tens place and 1 is carried over. Move to the 100 place. 1 carried out plus 3 plus 2. Answer will be 6. In 10,000 place, no carry out there. 2 plus 6, 8. 1 plus 5, 6. So, in this way, we also can check our answers also. Namaste.